nagosogerie omwanchu morigere bigeta seni kia Ndizi television inde nogosemerenga nogende kwabo kwegokia nemerobiri yaito a kurubwaga kite chitariki Isano chomutenyo kabiro mwaka w'ikirube na 2023 anene lituko lia Jumapili cheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mugaso ngokwarigania ase nchere ya beno nyare gosanga amo na inje asoko yabwatia amangana ya Amayia ase enchera ya obwenge nyora boigo amangana naboko yabwatia gwetera ase mitandao yaito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera ase YouTube Ndizi TV News nkoira na tole ase getari getambe nitunyara kwa watu kumanya mange nganyara kwa bagwateka ime na isiko ya rogongo rwa Gusii tena ngoro kwa Josphat Hamisi. Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere iriko toko ya chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii ase abamenyi ba omochie okiogoro beso kirena kugikeria anene abantu abatamanyiri banyara ko bagwesokia nabo igoko eneke banyara ko bakwiba chitaya echikogendera ko bachikwena na uburabu anene chinga kichabo tuko ase echiro eyo ya kiogoro boigo nigo ba kubatikana na abamenyi abo nigo gwikera boniga abanyanyi mbobe getaseni ya kiogoro babike biara abakagiro batatu abo boigo barachiko bakweneke nga babwatisirie anene kwena na obotoki voisaine
oserie tangoro kulinet nonko ni kiogora bona chitaye chikonya chitokonya tabia sana lakini bona si kire chitaye chimula chia toguru kire gendo ke kaera bona tolege sunte ke lakini rende twaro nga serikali nega natakominya kiuchunguzi yeye otogo sabanga tobwatira na matuansi community abantu bonsi bakabechiro tobwatira natorenga kibinde biatokire na aba kagerwa ababwatire na barabu barubo saiti voice nega kinga yibinde iba togorite nga iba irete nga ibire yagara bibwa tu byonsi bibe kwa mutorora ngitoko korana nditorakonya kyagere chiro bano twabeire ke sunte ke be tore no bwo
ebirangara bya omwana engineer lyanga obwalibu bosire sejiro yetu ya kiogoro abangana bakora byasara no murembe nonde bwensyo mukaguru nonde bwensyo raji gotoka nga na usikana na mangana ya aire ruge tambo kore kulingana nelichiko nande nare ko somera abantu aminto iga onde bwensyo manyete nga kende na usikana na mangana kabira gusaka era rugendo tigari boti mapema egere konye tabasa ko banera oyo mo basi bali ara kagiko babali
Togo tigana bono na abamenyi abo kurwa ase omoche okiogoro tokusuka mutwe ekero ebisako AMS ya Kenya bigendete koba bikoenekia ngabianyale koba bigosira anene gekoro kiabo bono nigo abamenyi be county ya Kisii boigo bakureru ngabanyale koba bakoenekia ngagekoro kiabo kyanyale koba gekobekwa ase abwenrete okwa nayo yokabeire omo county secretary bwa county ya Kisii Patrick Lumumba nigo atebire gati yabo chimbwa no rania nkati yebikoro biribwe na tebinyara ko babiko sirwa anene amone county elinde bichako kwa bigo konya egesaku kegocha.
There is a lot we can do in culture. We can actually protect a manga. Like right now, they are mining a manga. When you mine a manga, what is the meaning of that? A manga ya available for hundreds of years. One we are allowing abantu once to mine a manga. What will happen? A manga will cause the floods will come. The titanic stone still fix, they will crack. Bro toko tene mangeri no abusika le barenge our sacred area. Singa kwa na ntoko nya protected area na andere gazetted. So that ngo tena ntoko kwende skiing zip lining. Monta kur mange yendene zip ogana mangeri yende. Zip lining 1 hour is over 3,000 shillings a ride. The year chibe singu kwa kana kuwo mondoli nete matatu kogenda na Nairobi. Toko zip lining. Kubekerwe erigende kwa abana bakora zip lining even abas nona ba Tanzania na basongo babo chaga bachokora zip lining in manga so tubate bituni but we are not utilizing it tuni atago change na goli abantu baito kwamba tubate bono go change engende tokorya biashara ntune abantu tubate urutube nene ndagero tubwara na investment yera ende ko torekera chibesa ekera turanyare ukonye na serikali county na serikali ya kitaifa kuleta bagani abangi Kisii ikiara Kisii gaiga omatene county ya matoko na wotoko tayaba ni mna karuna ya rugu moche Kisii kulia matoko na wotoko tayaba na karu Kisii mogende guchi ngotene guchi eri mtoko nya restaurant boating
Bienvenido kabisa korwa gosegotikana na oroboti orubone gotogoska mutwe omorai bwense Daktari William Ruto nigo agendete ko bagakora abarai bande asomusangirikano obwa masabo oyogenderete ensem ya Ruiru ime county ya Kiambu engati emesangirikano emengo morai bwense nyale ko bagakora abwango iga elio kwenekia buno nyale ko bagakoreta amo abarai bechikanisa ao Roboti olingo koretera turi ase enchera yoboikeranu chingaki amaberera agendere tukobaga koruterwa anene chinga chirichia abakabeire abarai bense ya Kenya kubwatekana no ogotakana ebango bono nigo oyo kabeire omo first lady omotangani bense ya Kenya oyo korunganere Mama Ngina Kenyatta agosereirie serikali irege tambukira na konia enibo yabo kubwatekana bono asikeri batebire nga engeyo yajeteri gwakana anene ebango gochia ase ense ya Kenya nigo Mama Ngina yakwana kuria rero asenseme mpeketoni ase ara okuigurwa we kanisa eyemo asenseme hiyo
unatakiwa kulipa, lazima hiyo vitu yako itashukuliwa, itauzwa, si ndio hiyo sheria ya serikali? Kwa hivyo hakuna haja na ile laini ya kufanya kazi, hiyo iko, hakuna mambo ya ati kuharibia wale wengine majina na nini hivi na vile, na hiyo sio kweli, na watu wanajua hawasemi kweli, wanataka tu kusema ndio wasikike, ati wanataja majina na makambu.
Chingaki omotenenirwa wanyanyimbo imense ya Kenya Josphat kome koraria anene okwirani wanse kumubaro bwa banyanyimbo bali bakorenda oyo kabire omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta bono nigo abarai bagenda tukoba kubwatuka chingwana chiabo nebirengera byabo kubwatikanane egetampokoro ekikenyara kwa bagekoirwa oyo bwango iga no bunge okiharu Kimani Chungwa oyo omuganirie oyo kabire omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta anyare ko bagago isanekana maonchorerio esereka ya Kenya kwanza egendete ko bagikuira gati yabo obulendi bwaye Uhuru Kenyatta.
Former President Uhuru Kenyatta is very secure because he is secured by the state as an entitlement as part of his benefits as a retired or former president, and he has enough and adequate officers in line with the law. But again, it's also good to point out that there has probably been rationalization of the officers, because when he left office with the establishment of a president, and he is not a president anymore, he's a former president, and therefore he is given security in line with his position as a former head of state, just like President Moi, just like President Mwai Kibaki ahead of him. President Uhuru Kenyatta is not the first former president this country has had. And therefore, he continues to enjoy his security in line with the law and in the numbers as the law says, as a minister may consider fit, with a set minimum, I think, which he has well above the set minimum. And I don't think it's really an issue other than those who want to politic about it. Nobody has time for revisits, nobody has time for political pettiness. We left political pettiness to the other regime, the regime that he led when he was president.
Togoska mutebono chingaki omurakera no kubara kwechindagera ogendete ko bakorekana imense ya Kenya anene kuruchinsemo chirechia Northeastern bono nigo omobunge bwe constituency ya Garissa Township de Kubaro amobolire omurai bwense William Ruto anyare ko bagakoraria anene enchara buna gati anene yomuchando omonene imeyense ya Kenya deko nigo ayakuana aya magiga yokora kora umurobiri bokoena na obokonyu becindagera gochia ase abamenyi abo bagarisa boigodeko nigatebire ng'amagiga ya omurai bwense William Ruto koraria bono okoborwa gose omurakera koba omuchando monene ensi ya Kenya nigora irere anene abantu abange gwesokia erinde banyare koba bakorwa gokonya gochia sabamenyi bali bagendete koba gwetera makongu kubatikana omurakera.
Mahali imefika na pia nauliza serikali na the president in particular kama anaweza declare hii maneno national disaster ndo to attract more funding from partners kwa hii region.
It is significant to note that most of the people who have lost their livestock outside Garissa town have moved to the township, and we have very vulnerable people who are living within township.
Tuko shida because of our pastoral life. Tuko na shida, kutakuwa na drought, wanyama wameisha. Ile watu mnaona Garissa town si ati ni wanaishi tu hapa. They are also pastoralists. Wanyama yao iko hapa nje. Na hiyo wanyama yote imeisha. Na wale ambao hawakuwa town wameanza kuingia town because wamekuwa refugees ya climate.
Now in our sub county is at alert stage. We have not reached an alarm stage. That is why we want to make sure that we put measures in place to make sure we don't regenerate to the alarm stage.
Mnajaribu, serikali inajaribu, to be honest. There is a lot of programs running with partners na wajaribu tafuta resources ili to come in and give a helping hand.
Gotigana na roboti oruru murakera bono togoska mutunga ekyombe kire geterenete anene oborendi bwebinto biri bitoetana ine gosibetana ne mwanyabanto nema kubwatera nabo bisakurwa se county ya Murang'a nigo basiekire ensemo eyemo yokuya amagena eye gotoka asegeta seni keri gya ereli kurwa ensemo ya thika kogenda asensemo ya sagana kubwateka ne kyombe kyo kya nema nigo gyatebire bono oboyibu amagena ya sensemo yo nigo yairire anene ereli eyo nyara kwa sareka ase chingaki cha Bwangoiga.
Tuliweza kupata ripoti ya kwamba kuna watu wanafanya kware katika reli na hiyo inahatarisha sana usafiri katika reli inatoka Nairobi mpaka inaenda Sagana mpaka Nanyuki. Kwa hivyo tumeweza kukagua hizo kware ziko pale, tukapata ya kwamba hasina license, hasina lolote lile. Na watu ya Neema wameweza kufunga zile kware, na pia tumeweza kupata report kutoka kwa kampuni ya Del Monte ya kwamba kuna watu pia ambao jaribu kunyakua mashamba ambayo ni ya Del Monte, na vile mnaelewa mashamba ya Del Monte ni ya serikali, manake ni kukodisha tu, wamekodisha kutoka kwa serikali. Kuna watu wanajiita kafuko sasa, na wale watu wa kafuko sasa wanaanza kulaghai watu ya kwamba ile shamba ya Del Monte ni yao na wanauza.
Tumekuwa na shughuli ya kufanya ukaguzi wa timbo hapa area ya Del Monte, na tulikuwa tunaangalia haswa compliance kwa sheria za mazingira, na tukapata zile nyingi ambazo ziko huku hazina leseni kutoka Neema, na kwa hivyo tumeweza kuzifunga.
Togoska mutwe bono county ya Machakos nigo yanyorire anene chimashini chiria chia ICU Ibere kurwa ase company ya Masas International kubatika no mugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigo atebire chimashini echibono kiranyara ko bachikoirera anene obokoleri obuya bokwenana obubwenia gochia ase chinyagitari ichigotoka ime county eyo ya Machakos.
Mimi nachukua hii nafasi kuwashukuru sana kwa hizi donations wanaendelea kupatia Machakos County. Na wamesema sasa watatu-renovate ile casualty yetu ndio iweze kuja to at least international standards. Tunajua ile pesa wanatumia kutoka Ujerumani ni taxpayers money. Na hiyo pesa yao wanaleta hapa, sisi tutaitumia vizuri. I'm saying all the monies, all the contributions that you're giving to us is taxpayers' monies from your countries. And I want to assure you, as your people have accepted to contribute to our development, any single cent that comes to Machakos County will be used efficiently and effectively. And I will make sure also I monitor, because I want a good relationship with you.
We managed to bring not only a very important group of managers responsible of Maltese International here, but also to manage to hand over very important items which will help you to secure the health of the people of Machakos in very difficult times. We all have lived a very difficult period the last 2 years.
I also want to mention that we formalized our partnership with Machakos through a memorandum of understanding, and I think this shows the commitment that Maltese International has.
Mwancho murigereria yonkati ya mange togendete ko batu kwariganire kurwa ase emesa ya ito ya Amayia bia mono aso kwireri bagaria okweneke konyale ko bagusanga amona intwe Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia abono mubasonkwera nande Chinsa ikomi ase ogosemina kumanyia mange ngagendere ko bagagwateka kurwa chingongo boigongo sabagendere ko bagukurigereria meroberi kurwa asegeta seni Ndizi TV togendete ko batu kwariganire igo narenge oyogo Josphat Hamisi na netomera ne Chinsa ikomi ase Amayia.